What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best range hoods that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Hauslane UC-PS18 is a revolutionary under-cabinet range hood that redefines your kitchen experience, inspiring confidence in your cooking endeavors. This unique venting system is incredibly versatile, featuring adapter options that fit most duct sizes, saving you valuable time and money that would otherwise be spent on expensive ductwork installation. Designed with both functionality and style in mind, this sleek under-cabinet range hood effortlessly extracts odors, fumes, and chemicals from your kitchen environment, ensuring a fresh and clean space for your culinary creations. With 6 different fan speeds, including an ultra-low quiet setting, you can maintain a peaceful ambience while cooking, allowing you to enjoy the company around you without disturbance. The UC-PS18 comes with a warm, energy-saving LED light that enhances your kitchen's illumination. Moreover, this light is easily replaceable, allowing you to coordinate it with your existing kitchen lighting for a seamless aesthetic experience. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze, thanks to its thoughtfully designed baffle filters that effectively capture grease and prevent unwanted drips onto your stove and food. Additionally, the range hood features a convenient delay shut-off function, enabling it to automatically turn off after use, giving you the freedom to enjoy a relaxing dinner with your family without worrying about manually switching it off. Incorporating advanced features and user-friendly design, the Hauslane UC-PS18 not only elevates your kitchen's functionality but also adds a touch of elegance to your culinary space, making it a must-have appliance for any modern kitchen. Broan-Nutone introduces a new era of intelligent kitchen ventilation with its cutting-edge Smart Sense technology. This innovative feature transforms your cooking experience by managing your range hood speed based on your specific cooking needs. Utilizing advanced heat sensing technology and smart algorithms, Smart Sense detects the heat generated by your range or oven and intuitively starts running to remove smoke, steam, and other potential airborne pollutants in your kitchen. What sets Smart Sense apart is its ability to adapt in real time. As your cooking activities change and the amount of ventilation required varies, Smart Sense adjusts the speed of your hood's blower to provide precisely the right amount of ventilation. Whether you're simmering sauces or searing steaks, Smart Sense ensures optimal performance, maintaining a clean and comfortable kitchen environment. Moreover, Smart Sense offers unmatched convenience. After you're done cooking, you can simply walk away, secure in the knowledge that your Smart Sense range hood will automatically turn off once the cooktop has cooled down. This hands-free operation not only enhances safety but also saves energy, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern households. With Broan-Nutone's Smart Sense technology, you can cook with confidence, knowing that your kitchen ventilation is intelligently managed, providing efficient, tailored performance while effortlessly adapting to your culinary adventures. Say goodbye to worries about ventilation and focus on creating delicious meals, while Smart Sense takes care of the rest. Cosmo presents an unparalleled solution to enhance your kitchen experience with its premium range hood. Designed to elevate your culinary space, these range hoods have undergone rigorous testing in a lab, ensuring they meet the highest standards of performance and durability. Crafted with premium brushed stainless steel, Cosmo's range hoods are not only aesthetically pleasing but also built to last. Their robust construction effortlessly handles the demands of everyday cooking, promising longevity and reliability. What sets Cosmo apart is its user-friendly design, featuring simple and responsive digital touch controls. With these intuitive controls, you can easily adjust settings to suit your cooking needs, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable cooking process. The inclusion of powerful 4-speed fans empowers you to cook without worrying about unwanted odors and harmful air pollutants lingering in your home. Whether you're frying, grilling, or sautéing, Cosmo's range hoods efficiently whisk away smoke, steam, and cooking odors, maintaining a fresh and clean kitchen environment. Investing in Cosmo's premium range hoods not only enhances your cooking space but also adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. With their timeless design and durable build, these range hoods promise to complete your luxury kitchen for years to come, making them a valuable addition for anyone who values both style and functionality in their home. Experience the epitome of kitchen ventilation with Cosmo's premium range hoods and enjoy cooking without compromise. The Broan-Nutone BBN3 presents a top-notch ventilation solution tailored to complement every kitchen style. The Broan-Nutone brand is renowned for its performance-matched ventilation solutions, and the BBN3 Power Pack insert is no exception. Engineered for efficiency and aesthetics, this Power Pack insert offers a flush look with its integrated one-piece design, seamlessly blending into your kitchen space. Installation is a breeze with the BBN3, thanks to its Easy One installation system. This innovative feature allows for fast and straightforward installation, even for a single person. Depth adjustability ensures the ventilation surface aligns perfectly with your cabinetry, creating a streamlined appearance. Illuminate your culinary adventures with the BBN3's long-lasting, heat-resistant LED lights. These bright lights enhance your cooking experience, providing optimal visibility for your culinary creations. The unit is equipped with a backlit soft-touch switch that controls fan speed, while a convenient delay-off function automatically turns off the blower, eliminating lingering smoke and odors even after you've finished cooking. In addition to its exceptional functionality, the BBN3 boasts a beautiful and easy-to-clean stainless steel surface. The unit's quick-release filters are dishwasher-safe, ensuring effortless maintenance and long-lasting performance. With its flush appearance and hidden design, the Broan-Nutone BBN3 Power Pack insert not only elevates your kitchen's aesthetics but also provides powerful and efficient ventilation, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. The Zephyr Typhoon stands as a testament to Zephyr's innovation and design excellence, remaining one of the most powerful and sophisticated under-cabinet range hoods available today. Its iconic smooth and curved canopy design not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also ensures efficient ventilation. Available in various sizes and colors, including 30 and 36-inch models in black, white, and stainless steel, as well as larger 42 and 48-inch models in stainless steel, Typhoon offers versatility to suit different kitchen setups and styles. What sets Typhoon apart is its powerful and nearly silent 850 CFM dual blower system. Operated by elegant 6-speed capacitive touch controls, including a quiet speed setting, this range hood provides optimal performance while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation. Typhoon's thoughtful design includes dual-level halogen lights that fully illuminate the cooking surface below, enhancing visibility and aesthetics in your kitchen. Additionally, Typhoon is equipped with centrifugal blowers that efficiently separate grease from the air, eliminating the need for complex filters. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply spray your favorite kitchen cleaner into the fan blades while the hood is on low speed, then empty the removable residue trays. In summary, the Zephyr Typhoon stands out as a clear leader in ultra-quiet under-cabinet kitchen ventilation, offering not only powerful performance and efficiency but also ease of maintenance and a sleek, sophisticated design that enhances the overall ambience of your kitchen.